How are you doing now? And now is July 15, Monday. Day off na naman ang mga Inday.
Day off ba?
Sama ko po si Inday 1. Ito, pakita mo sarili mo. And we're going to
My
the
friend,
National Museum.
what time we will arrive? It's 2:51 p.m. And then the temperature now is
46.
46.5. What's your name, my friend?
Aslam.
Aslam. Where are you from, Mr. Aslam?
From Pakistan.
From Pakistan. He's too handsome. He's foggy in the Philippines. Handsome foggy in the Philippines.
Guys, ito po si Inday 1.
Hello. 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 Ikot na naman. Pasyal-pasyal ba?
Expect naman namin ngayon ang National Museum dito sa Doha, Qatar.
Yeah.
Grabe init. Sobra. So, dito to, ano ba ngayon? 2:45 p.m. So, 7:45 na ng gabi sa Pilipinas. So, yun guys. Wait nyo na lang. Pupunta na kami sa National Museum.
No. Only here.
This is the National Museum.
Because we wanna explore this one.
Wow, mashallah. Ang ganda sa labas.
Maybe finish this is the problem again for closing. But they're going to be problem.
Beshi,
Too much hot!
what do you expect? It's 48 something. The temperature today.
9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
So look at the Monday.
9 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay. Let's go inside. It's too much hot here.
Too much hot. Yala! Grabe init. Sobra. Matagos mo nga ako. May nakaroon mga pekas-pekas. So by the way guys, sa mga nagbabalak po pumunta dito sa National Museum, ito po hindi allowed isuot.
Hello, Blackie Bennett. If you plan to come here, you have to abide the rules, especially in dress code, and also you need to follow some restriction regarding your culture. You need to follow all of those things. You know, this place is very respectable place for them. We have ticket now. If you are resident in Qatar, you have a Qatar ID like that.
QID.
You can access this National Museum for free. But if you are a tourist, you will just have to pay at least 50, I think
50 riyals.
50 riyals. Okay? Come join us because I'm also very excited.
Palitan natin to.
This is the ticket. But this is free. They just give us a ticket.
Because we have QID. We have a resident. We are resident here.
Yeah. Bye, vlog ni Bennett.
Saan makita natin kung saan banda? Wait. Saan ba area?
Oh, too much big. This is the map of the National Museum. So, you see,
Walang English.
I cannot read.
Wait, we will look for an English version.
No, there's no English.
No have?
Yeah, you are the one who visit their country, so you have to adjust. Okay.
All of this one, no English?
Yeah, no English, all of them.
Grabe yung architectural design nito, no?
You also have several shop you can visit. Gift shop.
Gift shop.
Souvenir. And then they also have
Ano translation ng English?
have.
Have, okay.
It's Bennett. Hi Bennett, how are you? Are you good? Are you feeling okay there? Huh? Why are you looking at me like that?
Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. Dali.
Dali, tara tayo. Ika tayo. Ay, sa may flamingo. Picture lang kita sa may flamingo. Dali. Maganda nga. Maganda eh.
Picture ako ba?